Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pooja. Today we are in Andheri Lokhandwala. In today's video, I'll be taking you to some of my favorite places in Lokhandwala. These are just 3 to 4 places that I love going to whenever I'm in Lokhandwala. The first place where we are going to is Breadcraft. It's right behind me. This place is extremely famous for its savories and most importantly for its rolls. We are going to try chicken roll. This is the chicken Afghani Frankie. It's quite famous here. If you don't want to try chicken Afghani or if you want to try something in Chinese, you can also go ahead with chicken Szechuan and other rolls. You can also ask him to put egg and onion. I told him not to put it. The cost remains the same. So I'm going to take the first bite now. The gravy inside this looks amazing. Very spicy. I've eaten this before but I never get bored. Nothing but chicken. It's at the end of the Lokhandwala lane. It's very popular. It serves only chicken items, from chicken salads to chicken savories to chicken rolls. They serve only chicken stuff. I really love their chicken Vada Pav. So this is chicken Vada Pav. It has a chicken pepper and some nice mustard sauce. It's very hot. This place serves amazing snacks and chaat and is always busy with the localites. My favorite things to try here are some samosas and the absolute delicious pani puri. The pani puri comes in both sweet and spicy chutney with a taste of pudina and it tastes amazing. To savor some chaat during your shopping spree at Lokhandwala, don't forget to try the pani puri here. Finally, time for some sweet endings. The Dairy Dawn at Lokhandwala serves amazing kulfis and they have a variety of kulfis that you just can't imagine. From blueberry cheesecake to gulab jamun kulfis, they serve it all. I went ahead to try the gulab jamun kulfi and it was absolutely delicious. The kulfi is not too sweet, however gulab jamun is sweet, so it strikes a perfect balance. This was it for today's video guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you hit like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.